right, it is September. It's time to build Halloween decorations. We're going to start with a cauldron. Are you ready? Say yes. Here we go. All right, I'm getting ready to start the cauldron project. You can make this any way you want. This is how I just found it by accident. I was at Goodwill. It is a rack to hang blankets on. It was $4.99, but I thought it would look really cool with the cauldron hanging from it. So I am going to lightly sand that and spray it the hammered black that I bought. So what you're going to need is your cauldron. You're going to need some red or orange lights. You're going to need the insulation foam. It expands when you spray it out. You're going to need spray paint. This is the hammered spray paint black. I'm going to spray everything after I sanded it. It's all scuffed up now. All right, so I'm going to just give that a coat. All right, so I have my spray foam. What I did is I built up the foil so it's like a dome. And then I'm going to do it, and then I can take the foil out, put the lights under after I paint it. It goes a long way on this. So here's where we're at. I put all the spray foam out. I'm going to let it dry. And this is what the cauldron looks like. I sprayed some stuff like just hanging off the sides of that. There you go, it's all sprayed. I'm not going to saturate it because coals will have ashes. Ashes are gray. If you make the whole thing a solid black, it's going to look fake. So this is where we're at. It's together but not screwed together. I have to screw it together. I'm going to go inside and paint these different colors. So I mix up some colors and I'm going to start painting the foam that's on the cauldron. I wanted to kind of look like it might be body parts. So these are the colors I mixed up. And I'm just going to start painting them. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. I wanted to show you a close-up of the cauldron painted. So what I did is I went back in and I added some more foam after I started painting it because I realized I wanted to add in some body parts and not just hot glue them. And that worked out really well. I just shoved it in there, as you can see, and then I painted all that. And I really added a couple thick coats of varnish so it looks wet. And then I let some of the varnish drip down because I thought that looked cool on the cauldron. I'm going to add a little bit of powder to the coals and then brush it away. I want to make it look like it's got depth. All right, that is the cauldron all done. Just wanted to show you what the fog misters look like. We put these in the cauldrons. I'm using two because my cauldron is big. You can get these online. And this is what I use for my sound effects for this witch. It has some buttons on it. It has all different sound effects. I'm using the witch's cackle. It sounds really cool. You'll hear it in the video. It's super loud. But these are great. You can put them anywhere. I love these. These are cauldron. Pretty gross looking, right? That is the coals. Now this is going to go outside. I just have it inside just to show you. Let's put some light on if you can see that better. I super duper love it. I think it looks really cool. It looks like coals. Looking good. Once I get a bigger container, it'll be rocking. My witch's cackle.